Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, Alhamdulillah, Ummah Welfare Trust team is right now in Khost province of Afghanistan, visiting the construction site of the orphanage. Alhamdulillah, this is one of the flagship project of Ummah Welfare Trust. Alhamdulillah, right now I am standing here, which is the masjid. Alhamdulillah, as you can see, the masjid work is under construction, and there's also a basement as well, this masjid will be able to accommodate around 3,000 musallis, including 1,200 orphans, the staff, as well as the people who will come from outside if there is any sort of event, inshallah. This will also be used as a as a community center for all these orphans, inshallah. So this will be the entrance of building. We have 3 entrances like this to each building, and classrooms are all the way there, as you can see. Three windows here, 1 window here, so it's proper, inshallah. People here, or students here, they don't have good grounds. Here in Khost, there is no ground nearby. So inshallah, because the orphans will be living here, this will be their hostel, so we need to make sure that they have a proper place to play for their extra activities. So inshallah, this whole thing will be used for them to play or any exercise, inshallah. So again, alhamdulillah, the construction is nearly there. We still have chance, we still have the opportunity to be the part of this continuous reward food project, inshallah. There's a much need here of orphanage in every province of Afghanistan. We have built one in Helmand. Now we are building another one is in Khost, because Khost has quite a lot of orphans as a result of 40 years of war. So they need us. They don't need our sympathy. They need they need an opportunity. So be that opportunity by visiting the website, which is uwt.org. This is only a construction. Inshallah, once this is completed, the actual reason of that, then you will be able to see how much difference this orphanage is going to make in the life of orphans who are the future of Afghanistan. Please donate as much as you can by visiting our website, uwt.org, and in there you will find Khost orphanage construction. Please donate as much as you can. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.